Hi, dear all. Today I'm gonna unbox and give the review of a wireless microphone, Velomax. It's comparatively affordable price, and when I just searched for a wireless mic, I found it, and the exact price I got it for 2,309 rupees. So now I'm using with this mic. Actually, I recorded this video without voice, and I'm just giving the voice over to this video, so you can check the quality of the video. I checked the distance and I checked the quality of the recording. It's really amazing. So it's a price worthy product. You all can buy it. If you're really searching for a microphone, it has, I will tell you what are the things included in the box. It's a stereo wireless mic. You will get two mic and two cables for charging, and it looks very keen and perfect. So I strongly recommend for the really it is useful for the vlogging. It is useful for the interview. Since we have a two mic, we can use it for just like interactive activities as well. So really amazing one. So I strongly recommend, if you really like to buy this, you can buy it, and it is really waterproof as well. And as you can see here, it has very simple methods to open it. Just directly you can connect to the C type mobile phone or any device, and no need of any secondary app. It will work directly when you connect with this the adapter to your phone. And that's all about it. Thank you very much.